Alright, next let's look at question number 4. Alright, question number 6. Alright, we'll skip question number 4 and 5 because I believe that question is more suitable to be discussed during our next chapter. So let's just skip to this question. Alright, this is about a red balloon inflating, and we know that air is being pumped into the round red balloon at 5.5 cubic inches per minute. Right? Our job is to find the rate of change of the radius when the radius is 2 inch. So this is the information that I have. 5.5 inch cube per minute is dV over dt. I hope that by now you know why I put dV over dt here, because we have inch cube, which indicate a volume, per minute, which is time, so dV over dt. And then we also have radius 2, and the question is to find the rate of change of the radius. So for this case, we want to find the rate of change of the radius dr with respect to, of course, time, so over dt. So this is the question. So how to find dr over dt, right? So as we have did before, if we are using the idea of chain rule, we know that we will be able to get the information of dr over dt if we multiply between dr over something, right, times with something over dt. So what is this something? What is the other variable here that we can use, right, based on the given information? So we have here dr and dt. The other is dv, the volume. So let's put that, dv and dv. Okay, so as you can see, we have the information of dv dt, but we don't have dr over dv. So next is to look at the formula that we can use to calculate the balloon, the volume of the balloon, with hope that we can able to find dr over dt. What is the formula of volume? Right, the formula of volume is V equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube, which is a volume for a sphere. Alright, so of course we are going to conduct a derivative for this equation, and dv over dr, which is the derivative for this formula, gives us 4 pi r squared. So basically the formula gives us dv dr but not dr over dv. It is the other way around. So how do we find dr over dv? Right, just by using the basic properties of fraction, we'll know that by changing the numerator and denominator, we'll also change the output. Instead of 4 pi r squared over 1, it will become the other way around. So we change it into dr over dt, and the output, the information for it also changed to 1 over 4 pi r squared. Hence, we have the loss information here. So as we have did before, just input the information in this formula. So dr over dv, 1 over 4 pi r squared, times with dv over dt, which is 5.5, and we still have unknown value of r here, but we know that in our question the r is 2 for the balloon, so we put it here and we find it is 0.1094. that is the radius with respect to time. So the unit will be inch per minute. How do I know this? As I said repeatedly before, refer back to the derivative dr, which is in radius. Radius is inch for this question, and the t is in minute, right? So that is the answer for this question. Thank you.